Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making cheeseburger casserole. First thing you're going to do is measure 3 cups of uncooked pasta and cook it. While the noodles are cooking, prepare your beef stock, which is going to be 1 cup. I use 1 teaspoon better than Bouillon Beef Base and a cup of water. Preheat the oven to 350. I already added the salt to the water. I don't put olive oil in it because if you put oils on your noodles, then your sauce is not going to stick to your pasta. I didn't know that, so I used to put oil in it. Now I don't. I just added the noodles to the boiling water. We got to bring it up to a boil and cook them. I have 1.5 pounds ground chuck, and they said a medium onion. This is large, so I'm just adding 3/4 of it. Oh, yeah. I'll add 3/4 of it because it was a large onion. Now we'll cook it. You break it up. I won't keep you that long for this section because you know how to cook ground beef. If you don't, I have plenty of videos that shows it, but you have to break it up and stir it. I know people are allergic to mushrooms too. That's why I say you can use the cream of cheddar or cheddar soup. I've seen some kind of cheese soup out there. You can use that. Now this is almost done. I just got to get all that liquid out of there. This is what it looks like when the ground beef is all nice and done. Now we're going to start assembling it. I added the cream of mushroom soup to the beef stock. Now I'm mixing it up really good. Now that I have that all mixed in, it says to layer it. I'm doing it a little bit different. I want to make sure the noodles have enough sauce on them, so I'm putting the sauce in and the meat in here. Then I'll put the cheese on top. 2 cups of cheddar cheese goes on top. So I'm going to add this to the noodles. I want to make sure I don't waste the sauce. It wouldn't be one of my recipes if I didn't have cheese in it. Now, we add the meat. I'll mix that in too. I don't layer it, I stir everything in, except the cheese. The cheese go on top. I got a second pan if I need it. Because I want to make sure everyone gets meat. This way they get more meat. Now I put it into my pan. We have to leave some room on the top for the cheese, so. Is that going to be? Oh, that's a perfect size. See, I never made it in this casserole dish before. I normally have a round one. That's a perfect size for it. Now we can put that on top there. Level it off. Then I'll add the cheese. Now I put the cheese on it. Make sure you have an even layer. And this is 2 cups of cheese going on it. Make sure you get it on the edges too, because we want to make sure it goes to the edges. Any bare spots you see, cover them up. Because we want a nice layer. And yes, I'm using a whole bag. Because I want a nice layer of cheese on top. This is an easy casserole to do. The reason why I started doing casserole series on casseroles is because we need to learn how to stretch our monies. And one way to stretch it is to get some noodles and add it to your meats and vegetables. That way you can spread it out. The recipes are always in the description. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat at 350. Then we'll put it in and cook it for 45 minutes. This is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like when it's done. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Feel free to leave suggestions for recipes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.